title of this video will be showing you the room tour of where we spent our vacay. So welcome. So this is our sign right there. Alright, so let's get into it. So immediately as you come to the door, we have, this is the light for the bathroom. We are trying to get the door to close, but for some reason it's taking longer than expected. This is the light for the room. We got a closet. Guys, there is no iron nor iron board here. No iron nor iron board. We have a little, teacup, coffee maker, water. In here, you get the regular stuff. Juice. We got, little something, a one right here. So we get a mirror. I know you guys saw the mirror before. So then immediately to our left, we have the bathroom. In the bathroom, as you enter, we have the toilet. Then we go to the shower. You have the overhead. And, what do you call it, babe? Overhead, ma? Shower? I don't know. We don't know that car and, regular. Then to the immediate right, then I get the mirror. To the right, we have, turn right. You get that. Guys, we didn't get to use this. Should have done it, babe. I'm getting it because one of our things don't unite. That was just a turn off for us. Check up the mirror. Immediately. Alright, so we have another one. We got extra pillows, hangers, drawers. Then we have the room. So this is the room, guys. Night table, bed. The bed is very comfy. We got the TV. Guys, we were eating and drinking, pardon the food. And then we have another station here. Small little lamps on the bed. Over here is a little couch. Sprawl off. We get a mirror here along with a table, just in case you have a laptop, you want to work, get some stuff done. Outside now, guys, the view is amazing. The view is really pretty. So we got one of these. We got one of these. And as you can see, the view is really pretty, guys. It's just beautiful. Dobe. And as you know, the cameraman, one and only, Thev boss, Tevin, Wicked Man, Star Boy, Chargy, Ibi, we're gone. Guys, the experience wasn't grand, but, well, you brush your teeth? You don't want them to see you brush your teeth? The experience wasn't grand, guys, but the view, the room, everything, it was, guys, I need to fix my clothes. I just put it on, but I need to fix it where it look sexy, all them hot people that wear them something, I don't know me now, I gotta show my belly already. Yeah, guys. So, see there? And see the mama slippers. I'm see I can show the mama slippers. See mama slippers, a little white slippers with a touch of red. Look at white slippers with a touch of red. Baby, you do. And baby over there, so we hope you enjoyed the video. We hope you like the room. If you want to hear about our experience here, stay tuned. We have another video and you can go and watch that one. Alright, guys. Tell me what you have to tell them. See, baby. What you have to tell them? We're ending the video. What do you have to say? I'm brushing teeth. So he might run from me because he's brushing teeth. So guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe.